Hey everyone, my name is Colin. I'm an analyst here at One Digital Agency, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of our clients' websites, lovemyswag.com. So for this client, we're doing an SEO campaign as well as some custom design on several pages. Today, we're taking a look at our recommendations for this website to improve user experience. So we're going to be taking a look at the homepage as well as one of the category pages. So diving right into it, we can see this offer up here, the free shipping on orders over $100. While this is a really good way to convince users to spend more money on your website, we definitely want to make sure that we're calling this out a little better. So this copy is good, this text is good. One way to call it out better would just be to change the color of it. Another thing we'd like to change is having the price here on the site. Now, the one reason we do want to get rid of that is because if a user is just browsing through your site and realizes they have too many items in the cart, if they see that high number, they might immediately bounce off the site. So we want to save that until they're getting ready to check out, where they can easily remove items if necessary. Moving forward, we do see a random text here. As you can see, I'm trying to click on this. However, nothing is really happening, so it's just text. This isn't a button. So what we would recommend in this situation is to make this a button, bring this up to possibly your designer page, or let's just get rid of this text altogether. It's a little confusing for the user. Moving into the featured designers section. So something that we did like here in this section that's actually going to be applied to later sections on the homepage is this logo here. So French candy, for example, a user who does like French candy, that brand, they may not realize that this product here is actually French candy. However, having this brand in here calls out to the user immediately, hey, this is the brand you like, and that can convince the user to actually make that purchase. So we can see in this version, Saints and Angels, as well as Gabriel and Co. This is really good brand recognition. Again, could convince a user to actually make the transaction. Keeping that in mind, we're moving into the shop stud earrings. Again, getting the brand's logo onto here could help the user actually click on the product and actually purchase it. For example, I might not know the brand of these products here, so you can see these are Pandora. However, I might not be aware of that, but if I do hover over it, I can see as Pandora and I could click into this. We want to take out as much work as we possibly can for the user, and we want to just show that brand, the brand logo immediately, just so a user could catch that and say, oh wow, I really like Pandora, let's shop here. Finally, the last change for the homepage we have is just making sure that there's never an instance where the user might not want to interact. And part of it is actually this no image here for the Thomas Sabo Sterling. We definitely want to make sure that we have an image in here. And if there isn't an image or there isn't a product left, let's get a new category in there. Let's get a new designer in there just to make sure this page looks full. Moving forward, another page we're going to be changing is the designers category page. So just clicking on that, we can see a list of designers, A to Z. So every single designer that this website is carrying, it's just a big log of all of those. So something that we would like to change is, we'll have, for example, we can just take a look at category A, right? So if we can add a description into this next to each of the designers, just say, hey, these are what they're about, here's their style, here's their price range, for example, and then we can include some of the images of the designer's products. So this can help users just at a glance be able to see, hey, here's what I'm going to be purchasing, taking out, again, as I said earlier, a lot of that legwork of guessing who each of these designers are, and you can see at a quick glance what they do and what this designer does and what they're about. So these are some changes that we do have for lovemyswag.com. As we implementing this alongside these changes alongside of our SEO campaign, we're looking to see some pretty strong results. We will be coming back in several months just to track the results of our SEO campaign, and as well as from the changes recommended in this video. So if you want to keep along, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone.